there, I'm Teresa Ward from Teresa's Family Cleaning. In this video, I will talk about home remedies for scrubbing oil out of a tub. I love to soak in a hot oil bath after a long day. It relaxes me. But after the rejuvenation, there is a slippery sensation all in the tub. Here is a home remedy for scrubbing the oil out of a tub. This is what you will need: baking soda, hot water, dishwashing liquid, baking powder, and a plastic scrubber. Make a thin paste of baking soda and hot water. Start with equal amounts of both and thin it until it's about the consistency of toothpaste. Apply baking soda paste to the oil ring around the inside of the bathtub using circular motions. Sprinkle baking powder over the bottom of the bathtub the same way you'd use an abrasive cleanser. Wet the plastic scrubber and thoroughly scrub the bottom of the bathtub. If needed, re-wet the scrubber to keep the wet baking soda from caking on the surface of the scrubber. Scrub the baking soda paste off. You do this second so that you can allow the baking soda paste to absorb oil, since you cannot apply as much pressure when cleaning. Rinse the bathtub thoroughly and let it dry. If there is still some residue, you can add a couple drops of dishwashing liquid to the baking soda paste to give it that extra boost. Remember to rinse thoroughly, and if you can run your fingers through the surface with a squeaky clean response, you are done. And that's how it's done. Thanks for stopping by for another quick tip on keeping it clean.